Hey y'all, so today I want to do a video on one of these EHEIM automatic fish feeders. These are very useful, especially if you go to vacations often or if you're too busy to consistently feed your tank. You could set 1 to 4 feedings per day, and for each feeding you could set it so that it feeds once or twice. So this is very useful, and it's actually a great company. I've been using this for a long time. EHEIM never seems to do me any wrong. It does work on 2 AA batteries. They are right back here. And it does have its little motor mechanism. So you don't want to get this too wet. I have had some in the past get wet, especially from a saltwater aquarium. It starts to mess with the board in there. So let's take a closer look, and I'm going to show you guys how to set it up. Now, first things first, this is written out in military time, and when this is blinking, that means that this is your time clock live. There's no numbers on the top right there. You'll see what I mean in just a second, but that's telling us none of the feedings are actually set. So what we do here is we click mode, and by mode, now we see we are selected on our first feeding. The time that we have there is 21. So that's fine, we can set that to feed at that time. But we are only selected on the first feeding, nothing is actually set there. Now when we click set, it lets us adjust the time in hours, and we can click mode to now adjust the time in minutes. And also now we see the top there is blinking, meaning we can click a plus sign and add one feeding cycle on our first feeding. And then we can click mode just to step out of that. So this is our second feeding. If we keep that on 0 o'clock and no feeding set to it, nothing's gonna feed. Same here, same here. Now we're back on our display clock because this is blinking, and you can see that on our first feeding we have 1 cycle set, meaning that when we get to 21 o'clock, I got there by clicking mode, it's gonna feed 1 time, and I can click set to adjust the time. Click mode to run to the minutes. I can click plus to adjust the minutes there. Let's make that 21:01. Why not? Then I can click mode. Now I'm adjusting the feeding. I can click plus here and make 2 feedings for that first cycle. And so on and so forth. This is our second cycle, third and fourth. I'm not even going to mess with them because adjusting the first cycle is the same process. Now if you ever want to just feed your fish, you got your friends over and you want to show them how your fish eat, you click on this EHEIM button. That is a button back here, believe it or not. And there's your drum. Now the food goes inside this drum, and this adjusts how much you will be feeding your tank. Rule of thumb, it's always less than you think, okay? Feeders never should really be open all the way unless you have large flake food in there. So what you usually do is you can pop the whole device off here. Make sure to keep this cover off. You don't want to do that when the feeder is full and all that food's going to fall. So keep that cap together there. Put that aside. We have some of this dry pellet food I got here. I want to make sure our mouth is closed. Pop the top. Put some pellet food in there. I know I don't need too much. This is for a small freshwater tank, but I'll fill it at least 1/4 of the way. Put our lid back on there. Connect it back here. Now I'm going to open this very, very slightly. You can see just how little bit I have that opened. And it's always good to test. So you got your time set, everything's good. Everything's good and dandy, but you always want to test and see what's dropping out here. Now that's plenty of food right there for a small freshwater tank. So I think I actually did everything pretty good here, other than the fact that I have 2 feedings set. Because I was just showing you guys for the example, but that gives us a good opportunity to to actually go in there and adjust that. So I'm going to click mode. Now we're adjusting our first cycle. Click set, mode through the settings. Whoops. Now we're adjusting our feeding. Going to click the plus. Now it's saying 1. It's saying just 1, meaning first cycle no feeding. Now it's first cycle 1 feeding. There we go. Mode, back in. And there we are. Time is blinking, telling us it's live. Feeder hole is adjusted. And we're all set. Now let's put this on our tank. Now you can just rest these feeders on a tank, or they come with these little clips here. Very easy and straightforward to use. I got this feeder all set up here, and I am gonna just test it.